Science 3. Describe various objects in the environment using shape, color, and texture. At the end of the lesson, the learners should be able to describe various objects, like leaves, in the environment using shape, color, and texture. Today we will solve a puzzle together. Our goal is to work together and complete the picture. Look at the puzzle pieces. Which piece goes to number 1? A. Look at the puzzle pieces. Which piece goes to number 2? C. Look at the puzzle pieces. Which piece goes to number 3? B. Letter D goes to number 4. Look closely at the picture. Think about these questions. What does the picture show? What is the boy doing? Why is he using a hand lens? What does the picture show? A boy looking closely at a dragonfly using a hand lens. What is the boy doing? He is observing the dragonfly carefully. Why is he using a hand lens? To make the dragonfly look bigger so he can observe its details more clearly. Remember that in science, we carefully observe at objects to understand them better. What do you remember about observing? I remember that when we observe, I remember that when we observe, we use our senses to describe things. On your way to school this morning, what things did you see along the road? Have you seen this on your way to school? Do you know what this thing is? In today's lesson, we will describe familiar things in your surroundings, especially plants. Surroundings means the area or environment around a person. Rosario carefully studied her surroundings before crossing the road. Plant a living thing that grows in earth, in water, or on other plants, usually has a stem, leaves, roots, and flowers, and produces seeds. Mang Pit waters the plants in the school garden regularly. He does it to ensure that the plants receive enough water for them to grow healthy. Spear a weapon consisting of a pole with a sharp, usually metal, point at one end, that is either thrown or held in the hand. Kai, the main character in the story, made a spear, which he used to catch fish. The spear could easily pierce fish because it was sharp and pointed. What parts of your body do you use to describe objects or things around you? Eyes to see, hands to touch, tongue to taste, ears to hear, nose to smell. Activity 1. Leaf detectives, investigating the shape, color, and texture of leaves. 1. Look closely at grape's leaf. Q1. What is the shape of leaf 1? Q2. What is the color of leaf 1? Q3. How does leaf 1 feel when you touch it? Is it smooth or rough? 2. Look closely at bamboo leaf. Q1. What is the shape of leaf 2? Q2. What is the color of leaf 2? Q3. How does leaf 2 feel when you touch it? Is it smooth or rough? Which skill did you use to answer the question? Before we end, look at our surroundings. What are the things you can see around you? In front of you? Can you describe the color, shape, and texture of those things? How about the blackboard? The blackboard is rectangular and smooth. Complete the sentences. In observing something, I have learned that we can use our senses. I have observed that leaves have different length and width.